Would you like to add some fruit? Don't do it like that. Were over a few thousand types of fruit. But I have a solution for that.
Look at this dude.
ScriptableObject, your go-to partner for your project. It stores data, saves RAM, and is created as standalone file. What will happen if you don't follow this? So, how to use it? We create an element to which we assign specific attributes such as a name, damage, or an icon. Let's do practice. First of all, we create 3 scripts. Fruit button. When clicked, it triggers a message confirmed that with fruit was dissolved. Fruit data. This is our scriptable object which stores information about our fruit. Market stall. A system that checks the fruit item and assigns it a price. Now is the time to make changes in the Unity environment. Once we create the scripts, we can add a fruit element. In addition, we create test buttons. We assign a script to handle the click event to each button along with one of the scriptable objects we have created. In the scriptable object we have created, we fill in the details about the fruit. Finally, we also need to add text output to check whether the data is being displayed currently. Let's take a look at the final result. Well, that's all. Thank you for watching, and whilst you're here, do check my itch.io account for more education resources. Thank you!